Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting where it matters, in the timeline. Open Filmora Mobile, load your project, and import the clip you'll narrate. Once the clip is on the timeline, move the playhead to the exact position you want spoken audio to begin. Make sure your clip is trimmed. This controls where the generated speech stops. Then tap the audio or voice tool. Choose text-to-speech so Filmora can convert written text into a narration track you can edit and position precisely. Next, create the voice. Open Filmora's text-to-speech panel and paste or type your script. Choose language and a voice, then tweak pitch and speed to match tone and pacing. Preview repeatedly. Small speed changes change timing drastically, so make sure narration aligns to edits. When satisfied, generate the audio file. Once generated, drag the TTS clip to the audio track beneath the visual clip, trim any silence, and use fade handles to smooth transitions so speech starts and ends naturally with your footage. Finalize by syncing and polishing. Nudge the TTS clip to match lips, cuts, or B-roll, then use gain and EQ to sit the voice in the mix. If a line needs rewording, split the TTS clip and regenerate only that part to save time. Once balanced, apply fades and export using recommended settings. Troubleshooting tip: if playback glitches or volume drops after export, re-render with a consistent sample rate e.g. 48 kHz.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.